Swami Ramatirtha brings a beautiful analogy. He talks of a person running hard. He's running. And he's running and running and trying to catch the shadow of his own head. And he believes he runs a little faster, he can grab the shadow. And he runs faster. He ran as fast as Bolt. But sadly, the shadow ran a little faster than him. So he says, he draws a comparison. Running after a shadow is trying to run behind the worldly desires, the worldly aspirations, to find that peace and happiness for yourself. And he says, it's like the worldly desires are like catching the shadow of your own head. He says, the shadow of worldly desires. Look at the analogy, the way he puts it. The shadow of worldly desires. The further you run, the further it gets away from you. It eludes you. It evades you. You miss it. How long have you missed it? How long have you missed it? Thus far you have missed it. Even further you shall miss it. If you continue that way, you keep running further and further, it keeps evading you. What evades you? Your own peace and happiness evades you. As long as you keep running outright, it's like trying to catch the shadow of your head there. But then he advises, stop and start walking towards the sun. You are running away from the sun. You are trying to catch the shadow of your head. You are trying to further away. You will never get it. He just says, stop and start marching towards the sun. That which you have been chasing starts chasing you. Illingla? Correcta? Marching towards the sun is marching towards your own self, the truth, the reality, the consciousness. And he says, that is renunciation. Renunciation is to march towards the higher, is to embrace the higher values, is to progress towards the higher. And the moment you do so, instantly the worldly desires, all that you have been chasing, instantly start chasing you. In fact, please have me, possess me and enjoy me. The whole thing turns upside down.